about 0 degrees out. We're waiting for my dad to come out with the boiling water, and we're gonna throw it in the air on the ice and see what happens.
What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know. I think it's just gonna hit the ice
Okay.
and
we'll see.
a big cloud.
Do you think it's going to freeze instantly?
No.
Are you sure? Because it's really, really cold out here.
And it's really, really hot water. Baby coming.
Uh-oh.
Here it comes now. I gotta do it.
Let Daddy do it.
It's hot.
On the ice.
No, right here.
That looks like hail.
It's still steaming on the ice.
Is it hail? I don't feel anything.
So it's still water. It still was water, but it did make a big cloud, right, Maddie?
Yeah. I'm gonna show them this slide.
Okay, go ahead. Yay! All right, time to go in. I'm freezing.